How to change language in PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in PowerPoint. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure that the PowerPoint is open. And once you have opened it, simply click on the File tab in the top left corner. And from the menu, simply select Options at the bottom. Now, in the PowerPoint options window, simply click on Language from the left-hand sidebar, and under the Office Authorizing Language and Proofing section, you can choose your desired language. And if your language is not listed, you can simply click on Add a language. For example, if you want to add Bulgarian, simply select Bulgarian from the list and click on Add. And once you have done that, simply select the language and simply click on OK. And that's how you can change the language in PowerPoint. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.